Yes, so in this tutorial, I quickly want to show you one particular coin that makes money. You can make money. I'm telling you, people are cashing out big time. And this coin will be listing on the 31st of May of this month. You won't be able to do it again. So if you can quickly key in right now, by the ending of this month, I can assure you you'll be cashing out if you take what I'm going to show you now seriously. All right, it is TAPSWAP. Here is my group. I'll be dropping the link in the description section. So here is my group, and what I want to show you now is start we call it TAPSWAP. Yes, it's TAPSWAP. This is a project. This project is hot, guys. People are doing it. If you can do it now, this is one of the projects I will be dropping in my YouTube channel. So you'll be check the link in the description section, and you'll be seeing the link. So how can you partake in this project? So here is the link. I'll be clicking the link from my WhatsApp group right now. You click the link. So once you click on the link, it will direct you to your Telegram channel. So my Telegram is loading, as you can see. And once you come to your Telegram channel, it will open a link for you. Please, let's hold on. So you wait like this. Can you see? But in your own case, you will see a start button. You will see a start button at the bottom here. Okay, let me bring out the brush. You will see a start button at around here. There will be a start button there. So you click on the start button, and once you click on the start button, something like this should happen. Let me show you now. So something like this should happen. So something like this will pop up on the screen. Can you see? Something like this will pop up. But me, I'll be mining this coin, and I have over 5 million points. Can you see? So the first thing you have to do once your screen opens like this is you click on task. You click on task. Here is task. There is task. Click on it, and once you click on task, there are tasks that you need to do for you to earn points. So I'm going to show you the task right away now. So click on task, and once you click on task, number one, you come to this side, come to connect wallet. Come to connect wallet. Yeah, come to connect wallet. And once you come to connect wallet here, you need to um click on it. Click on it. So once you click on it, it will open. And once it opens like this, you need to click on, you will see something here. You see my own is writing mission completed here, but in your case you will see start mission. So you click on the start mission, and immediately this place, there will be something here. You will see a button here. Instead of my own is writing open, your own will be writing go. So once you click on it, it will take you to another page where you click on it and you connect to your Solana wallet. But that Solana wallet, before you can do that, you must download a wallet called Phantom app from Google Play Store. I'll be dropping the link. I'll be dropping the video here soon. How you can download your Phantom, how you can log in, create your Solana account. So you need to link your Solana wallet with your TAPSWAP, because that is where the money will be landing after they launch their mainnet. And once you must have finished doing this, you click on back. You come to join social. Join social. Can you see my join social? Join social. This is join social. You click on it, and after you must have finished clicking on it, it will take you here. So you have to join their Telegram. You come after you must have clicked on join Telegram. It will take you to their Telegram channel. Join. You now click on, once you must have joined their Telegram channel, you click back. It will bring you down here. Then you click on check. It will write done. It will write done. It will write done here. You click on follow X handle. X means Twitter. Once you must have clicked on it, it will open your Twitter. You follow them on Twitter. Once you are done with that, then you come back here and you click on check, and it will write done. Sometimes if you click on check, the thing might still be counting as if you have not performed the task, but you just give it. Once the counting 30 seconds counting is done, come back and click on check. It will be done. Then after you must have completed that task, you also come to visit website, and you claim your reward. So that is that. Once you are through with that, you can now come to tap. Can you see? This is tap. Come here, and what you'll be doing every 20 minutes is you start tapping this thing. Can you see how I'm tapping it? So you can use your 5 fingers to be tapping it at the same time. So as I'm tapping it, my point is increasing. My point, as you can see, the point. So as you are tapping it, you must be tapping it. Once you are tapping it, as you are tapping until this thing finishes. As I'm tapping it, this thing is reducing. So once it's finished reducing like that, you wait for another 20 minutes before it refills fully. Then you come back to do the same. Then after you must have gotten, let me keep on tapping. I'm tapping so that you can see. Let me keep on tapping. I want to finish it so that you can see it. Keep on tapping. I'm tapping, guys. Wow, 6,000 points. Now I'm through because I'm using my 5 fingers to eat it at the same time. I'm done. Now once you are done, you can activate a robot that will be tapping for you inside this boost. So what you need to do is to come here, come to boost, click on it, boost. Now after you must have come to boost, so what you need to do is to click here, tap bot. So they will be deducting 200,000 from your points. It's worth it, please, it's worth it. So you click on the tap bot and the bot will be working for you. Another thing, so once you are through with that, you've accumulated some points, you click on multi-tap and it also taps for you. Then another thing that I want you to take note of is this section here, full tank and tapping guru. You see, these two sections are very important. They will give you 3 tapping guru. Click on a daily basis. Click on this, then you click on this also. After you must have clicked on both, you come to tap here and you tap, you click on, keep on tapping. So I'll be dropping the link for this project in the comment section. Please do it. And there are other projects also that I'll be releasing their videos soon. So watch out for my channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that when I drop new projects, you'll be able to see and partake in those projects. Don't miss out in this project, guys. This thing is very, very hot. All right, so now go to the description section. You will see the link. Click on the link and it will redirect you to your Telegram, and make sure you start this project immediately. Also, to join my WhatsApp group, my WhatsApp community, I'll be dropping the link also. So click on it and come to my WhatsApp community where I drop projects on a daily basis and updates on the kind of free airdrops that you can partake in. And if you can take this thing serious in the next 2-3 months, I'm telling you, your story will change. You've got to sack your balls, guys. All right, see you. Bye.